Welcome back to my vlogs. This is where we conduct farm stuff activities. Merry Christmas, everybody. These are my tools. Got gloves, a trash bag, and a shovel. You're not gonna believe what I've got to deal with. So at time of this recording, not time of posting, my parents are on their anniversary trip, so it's just me, baby, because Chester, because various reasons. But I'm farmer in my moccasins and my cute clothes. It's not gross, but it is dead. I'm really hoping that when I pick it up, it's just intact all over and not just on top. So I must find, I can't put my phone on the ground in good faith because, ew, poop. I was gonna bury this sucker, honestly. I don't really know. I'll figure this out. Okay. Everything visible? Yes, okay. This is my trash sack. These are my industrial man gloves that probably won't do much because I have fingernails. I'm gonna have to shower after this. I was gonna bury him, but my dad said just to have my brother haul him off. TBA. I'm ready. Ugh. Okay. This needs to go right there. Do I want the shovel? It was at this moment that she knew she'd made a grave error in her decision making. He looks... Ew! Hang on. You have to see this. The feathers are just falling. Yuck! And Andy said she thinks something got it because check out all these feathers. Sheesh! But no blood. Truly a mystery for the ages. You're scary, Chester. This is Chester. See him? He's right there. He's spooky. This is why I need a GoPro. Okay? I've been trying to get my hands on a GoPro for years. And the odds, not in my favor. Which is fine, I guess. But it would make my career as a YouTuber so much easier. Especially for all the skiing we're about to do. Do you think we're not vlogging that? You got another thing coming. Anyways, let me try this again. Maybe this angle is all I can do. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna pick him up by his. He's super dead, right? This is, yeah, rigor mortis has set in. Ew. Ew. That is so disgusting. Ugh. That plan was the best plan. That's my nasty plan. That was the best plan I have ever come up with in my entire life. I had the trash bag ready, the shovel ready, but I was also ready to touch a dead bird. Truly, Farmer Kenna cannot be stopped, okay? Let me set you up here. Ha! Farmer Kenna cannot be stopped. That's gonna be the thumbnail. Mark my words, okay? Now I gotta figure out what to do with this sucker because Cooper's not here. And if Cooper's not here, my option that I personally can do in good faith is to bury him. But if Dad wants Cooper to haul him off, burial is less of an option. So, because I'm not gonna undig him. I'm not gonna dig him up for Cooper to carry him off. But I also, it's getting dark. I don't want to dig a hole. Ugh. Do you see the other guineas? They're mourning. Let me do this. This is how you take off gloves. You took it off. Ball it up. Make a trash sack. And now, my hands are clean. I'm still gonna touch that, but I thought about putting the gloves in there, but I'm not gonna do that because it seems obvious to me that if Cooper dumps this thing out, I don't want to litter. So, kind of heavy. I didn't realize guineas were heavy. But here we go, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. The princess is here. Sierra. It poked me through the bag on my leg. I shake it like Jello, make the boys say hello because they know I'm something. Anyways, okay. I'm not Missy Elliott. I know you were all confused, but I'm not. So here's the sitch, right? I'm in the shop. This is the guinea. Gloves are in the trash. I put the shovel away. Those are my mom's hibiscuses. We shall see if winter defeats them yet again or not. Ugh. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this here until Cooper gets home. I should probably call him, see where he is. He's at work. Anyways, that's my farm stuff so far. If there's more, I'll add it in.